Hi guys! So today we're making the ZiShan rice meal, beef curry flavor. Okay, so I'm gonna start. So, then just pull it out. So here we have our main ingredient, which is the beef and curry sauce probably. Then this is our rice and some veggies that we can put on the side. Okay, so we have our and we have the water. So, 发热专用水. So, this is the one that we place on So, this, as you can see, is our magic heat pack, and we have our utensils. Okay. So, I'm just gonna prepare this first so that we don't rush later. Last time, no, nagkamali kami. Like, my friend actually placed the tub dun sa yung ito dito agad. So, don't do that kasi mahirapan kayong tanggalin siya mamaya. So this is our rice. Okay, so that's a lot. Okay. So if you remember last time, wala siyang hati or wala siyang harang before because you were supposed to mix everything all together. Right? Then for this one, okay, let's not get it wrong. Okay, so we have anyway, so we have the instructions here. Okay. So tama ba? Okay, so there, you see. So you place the rice in a bigger part of the tub. Okay. Then you place, oh my god, deli. Okay, so you place this. Parang mali. Parang ang weird niya.
Okay. 2,000 years later.
Okay, so yeah. So this one is what you place here. Wow, that's a lot. So if you're like me, na medyo matipid, like what I do is I scrape it. So, sayang yung sauce sa loob. So, you just scrape everything. Okay. So, then we place this. our veggies, separate veggies for our rice. Okay. Place it here. This first, okay. And add some water. So we have our water here. So it doesn't have to be boiling water. So there's you can see. Can you come here closer? Okay, so there's this line. So hanggang dun lang yung water. Okay, para hindi siya maging soggy. Then, since sayang yung rice na nakadikit, let's just scrape it off. Okay, the orange thingy is the curry sauce na kanina yung scrape natin. So once we're done, look here. So please don't use this for cooking, because it's only for the heat pack. Oh, scissors. Huh? Sorry, guys. Pinos mo? So, ito yung assistant ko for the day. Since wala si Clueless Panda. Tapos, matatapon niya yung tubig sa sarili niya. Joke lang. Okay. So, para sa akin, feel ko kasi kulang yung water. So, let's just add a bit more. Kasi hindi siya umabot dun sa line. So, anyway. That's the line. So, guys, it's time to place it in and wait for the magic to happen.
Later.
Tagal naman ako mag-prepare.
Sandali lang kaya. Sorry, gutom na ulit yung guest natin. Wait lang.
One eternity later.
Nag-stop na yung steam, so yes, you can now open it. Okay, so lahat sila no, nabibiktima nung pagkapaso. Okay, so, tada!
Okay na, kain na ako.
Wait lang, pictorial muna. Okay, so, yes, mix the rice please.
Gusto ko pa?
So, you can see, luto na siya oh. Parang mas tama yung luto nito compared nung last time. Tapos yung beef. Okay, so the taste. Hindi ka pa nga kumakain eh.
Masarap siya.
Nakamas. Ang galing mo kumain na. Kumakain ka ng nakamas.
Hindi na kailangan tikman.
How is it? How is it?
Masarap siya.
Yun totoo kasi.
Oo nga, masarap siya. Lasang curry. Sarap.
Pasensya na kayo, medyo patay talaga magsalita tong kaibigan ko eh, no? Eh, ba't ko nakamas? Talaga pinagdo mo yung ano? Malinis tong bulsa mo nung kapat na nakamas mo. Ay. Uy, start na ba?
Oo, kanina pa.
Okay. Okay lang. Totoo ba?
Oo nga, para makakain na ako.
Okay, sorry.